Hello.
And
Welcome
to
another episode
of
Honey, I'm a home chef!
All right, babe, what are we doing?
hands down, without question, one of my favorite things to make, one of the most delicious things we eat, and on like the easy hard scale, way at the low end of the spectrum, like incredibly easy. Chili Verde. If you haven't made it, you're a fool. So this is what we're gonna do, and then I'll prep everything. We're cooking for quite a few people, so I grabbed 2 pork shoulders. I'm gonna cube all of that meat up. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna dredge it in flour, and then I'm gonna sear it off really quickly. Then it's gonna go in that crock pot. Mm-hmm. For the sauce we're gonna make, or what do you know, the sauce?
Yeah, the sauce.
Okay, so here's what I grabbed. Some lime, which is gonna go into the sauce after it's actually put together. Mm-hmm. But I'm going to boil down half of an onion.
Okay.
I'm gonna shell all of this garlic and throw probably like 5 or 6 bits of it in there. Not cloves. The cloves, the whole thing. I don't know what the.
Minced, like you're gonna mince it.
No, I'm not gonna mince it. I'm just gonna toss them in and boil it.
Okay. Throw some cloves in.
Jalapenos. I will seed these because I don't want to hear mommy tomorrow morning screaming my biscuits are burning. So we'll seed those.
Nice.
This is debatable. Anaheim's. Mm-hmm. What I thought, but then at the store it said Hatch. So I had to Google it, and I guess they're really similar. And I didn't read.
They didn't have the Anaheims?
Well, I think these. I don't know.
Oh.
It said Hatch at the store, but normally it says Anaheim's. But I Googled it, and they're similar.
They look the same. Okay.
And then I thought these were poblanos.
Uh-oh.
But then they had a name. It was pasilla.
Okay.
But I think those are poblanos and pasilla, whatever.
Okay.
I grabbed a ton of tomatillos because you just never know what you're going to get. Life is like a box of chocolates, but life is like tomatillos. See, like that one right there? I don't know if I'm going to use that bad boy.
Can't
I don't
you just
like
cut
it.
that off?
Oh, no, I don't want to.
Okay.
No, I'll just pick out the good ones.
Okay.
Cilantro. Mm-hmm. Did you see how I said that?
Cilantro.
Like I was cilantro. Mm-hmm. Like I'm Hispanic. I'm
Yeah.
not. So I'm just going to chop off the top half of this.
Okay.
That's not going in the boil. Mm-hmm. Some for actually topping. Mm-hmm. And chicken broth. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to boil these ingredients down, minus these and these. Mm-hmm. Right?
Yeah.
Then I'm going to take them, throw them in the blender, blend it up, squeeze that in, put this in, and some chicken broth. I grabbed extra chicken broth because I wasn't sure how much I was going to need for my sauce. But once it's done, we got the cubed seared stuff going in the crock pot. Pour the sauce on top. That's been blended with chicken broth, and then slow cook the living daylights out of it. You're clean by the time it's done, right?
Yep.
That's the cool thing is you've made a few little bit of messes.
Yep.
Little bits of messes.
And then
It's all clean. Now you've just got a crock pot, plates, some tortillas. We went with store tortillas because we're just making for so many people. I didn't want to sit there and make 5 billion
and then
tortillas.
we have the...
and cotija or cotija?
I don't know.
To crumble on top.
Okay.
That's it.
Bam.
But yeah, no, now we have to do, look at this business.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
I'm just saying. All right, so we lucked out with the tomatillos, and I didn't say this before, but you got to take these babies, and you have to take the husks off.
Yeah, you said that.
Husks. I said husks.
Well, you showed him how to
I don't
take
think
one
I
off.
said anything about the husks, but you take them off and rinse them really good. Use gloves because they're sticky as hell. And then we gutted all of our peppers / chilies. I put some garlic. Garlic. Mm-hmm. And some onion in there. So we're just going to toss this into the pot and try not to boil our hands off. Toss this into the pot. Bam.
Oh, you got some water
Yeah.
on the
Over here.
camera.
So lime's for squeezing and to our sauce. We've
Okay.
decided it's a sauce. Limes for a garnish. Cilantro. And then, I cubed up all these delicious meats. And those are going to get pan fried in a minute. And then everything's going to the crock pot. I mean, that's just essentially it. That's the whole deal. That's it. That's a wrap. All right, moment of truth.
All right. Oh, look at that, honey.
You think we're there?
Oh, we're there.
And Joy's here too.
Say hi.
Oh, I thought you just took. Hey, I dare you. I double dare you to take one big bite right out of the pot.
Are you kidding me? Do
Dare-
you see
dare
how
you.
hot this
Dare you.
is?
I'll give you 100.
No, thank you. Amber, yeah, I
It
would
looked
do
like
that.
you were
Here.
about to do it.
I'm gonna take a little taste.
Don't put that spoon back in there.
Okay. Oh, that flavor is fire.
All right, Ronald McDonald.
Ronald McDonald. Okay.
What are you trying first? Corn or flour?
I'm doing the corn.
I can't see.
Gotta get my diet. Oh,
Oh, I was really trying to get your face on that.
perfect. Not surprised. Flavor awesome.
Texture.
Texture good. Fold. So easy. Even like this big piece right here, just shreds. Okay, ready? Flour. Oh, it's gonna make a mess.
Which one do you prefer?
I think the flour.
Of course you do. I wish I could do that song in here. It's simply the